got a lot of Anchor Eufy security products to unbox, and I recently got this battery-powered cameras 2 kit with a base for review. I've been using it for more than 2 weeks now. I'm very happy with it. And now Anchor sent me another one. Actually, other 2. I'm gonna do this one later. And let's focus on this doorbell. Actually, I already have the wired version, and I have been very, very happy with that. And now this is a battery-powered doorbell. It's the same. It maintains the same image quality, 2K, and there's no subscription fee. And I believe all the footage is stored on premise, free 16 GB storage. All right. My wired version has 4 GB storage built in, and I wouldn't use the base. I guess I could just directly pair it with my existing base. Well, this thing is significantly larger, I think. Look at this. Same kind of button, look and feel, but I think for the battery, it is larger. And that is a micro USB charging port with 2 screws in the back. I believe they're 18650 batteries. This one would be redundant for me unless I want to use it for extending the Wi-Fi range. Again, we get a couple of stickers. 24/7 monitoring by Eufy Security. Quick start guide. I got my iPad Pro here, which I installed the Eufy Security app. And that's my doorbell. It's crystal clear. I am extremely happy with this existing wired doorbell. And I can talk, and it just looks like this, maybe a little bit smaller, I think. I'm very happy. Just a phenomenal product. And I have a basement and family room cameras by this 2C model. Yeah. So that's that. Yeah, that's the marketing page description. So let's see what else in the box. Installation kit maybe. Ethernet cable to be plugged into the base when you want to set up for the first time. We got a power adapter for the base again, which I'm not going to use. This is the adapter, and we have a tilted, angled stuff. I'm gonna look into the installation later. I believe this is a micro USB charging cable. Right, I'm not even gonna unbox that. I have like dozens of unused micro USB. I think we may have an option to use it as a wired. Interesting. We also got a pin. I remember this one from my previous version. That's great. We have a template for drilling holes when you are mounting this doorbell. And we got a film, which I will peel off when I install this doorbell. Basically, that's it. Let me put all these things back just in case I lose them. It's pretty intuitive. I don't think there's much to it because I've already been through installation for these two. This should be pretty easy. Yeah, it just clips on when it's installed, right? Yes. So this is the angled mount version if you want to use this accessory. Like so. If your door is you want to have it slightly point to this side. I would have to use the pin to get it out when so not everybody know about this method. It cannot be stolen easily, right? You push the pin, it will get released like so. All right, I may have a follow-up review video when after I install this new doorbell. Like it a lot.